Hello guys. Tomorrow, if God wills, it will be Monday 31st of December, which is the last day of the year. Now, as you can see, here is as I always say, the support line, which is the correction support line. If you can remember, see, this is the day 9th of February where the market has its low. Okay? After the correction, this is the correction. Now, this is the blue line, this is the high of the year. Now, after the correction, as I told you before, we have 3 days or 4 days going down, or 3 days under the line. We were in a bear market, and then we have 2 green candlestick, very, very strong, when we have 1,000 points for Dow Jones index. Now, on Friday, it touches the line and it goes down. So, what do you think about the last day? So, no one knows. Either we have a collapse of the Dow Jones, again, going down to the bear market, or it could be very, very strong and it go up like this one, 1,000 or 1,500 or whatever. It depends on the all the traders, what they do on the last day of December. So if you have time tomorrow, Monday at 9:30, before 9:30 you can check the news, you can check because Trump has said he will not open the shutdown government. Okay? Understand? Maybe tomorrow we have other good news. If we have other bad news, the market can collapse again. So what you should do tomorrow, if you are a day trader, if the day is very, very strong, either down or up, you can make a lot of money. Okay? Because of that. Because it is the last day and it could be very strong. Now, when I say strong, it could be up or down. It doesn't matter where it goes. For you guys, if it is down and it is the whole day down, you can make a lot of money. If it is up, you can make also money. So be careful of tomorrow and don't just buy and leave. You should watch your trade if you are a day trader. Okay? If the market goes above the line, it means we go to correction again. We go to a correction. And then if the market is so strong, we can go above this blue line and we go to a bull market again. But this, we will see it in January 2019, whether the market will resume back and go up or it will collapse. If it will collapse tomorrow and the beginning of the year 2019, and if it hits the new low of this year, which is 216.97, if it reaches that, it means we are going to continue the bear market, and the bear market, it starts here, as you can see. Okay, it starts. It can go down and down and down and down, and this will be the high of this bear market, and it will continue going down. Okay, so be careful and do what it takes to focus on the price. You can get some information in the Dow futures or S&P 500 futures or Nasdaq futures in the morning, and you see if the day is strong. If the day is strong in the futures, it might be going up with the stock market. But understand that futures are another market. It is not the stock market. It's futures market. Okay? So thank you very much, and happy New Year, and see you on the first. It means tomorrow, if God wills, I will make another summary, and then we continue to the new year. Thank you very much.